Good morning, students. So, in last class, we have covered few theorems on the Legendre polynomial. Now, some questions on the Legendre polynomial. So, in that, very first question is prove integral minus 1 to 1 pnx dx is equal to 0 when n is not equal to 0 and it is equal to 2 when n is equal to 0. Or you can say that integral minus 1 to 1 p0 x dx is equal to 2, right? So here we know that from the Rodriguez formula pnx is equal to 1 upon 2 to power n factorial n nth derivative with respect to x of x square minus 1 power n. So this is the Rodriguez formula. If you integrate on both sides, integrate on both sides with respect to x from minus 1 to 1. So if you integrate, right, this expression or Rodriguez formula with respect to x on both sides, so on the left hand side we have integral minus 1 to 1 pnx dx, and on the right hand side it is 1 upon 2 to power n factorial n integral minus 1 to 1, right, and integral of d to power n upon dxn of x square minus 1 power n with respect to x. So here, since we have the nth derivative and you are integrating one time, so it means n minus 1th derivative will remain. So in this it is equal to, it will become 1 upon 2 to power n factorial n and n minus 1th derivative with respect to x of x square minus 1 power n. Then you have to put the limit minus 1 to 1. So as we put x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 will give you 0. As you put minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, it will again give you x square minus 1 will be the 0. So for both limit, it is equal to 0. So that is the first part, right? That is the first part. So first part you have proved. Now in the second part, you have to compute the integral of p0x. So in this case, integral minus 1 to 1 p0x dx, right? p0x dx, and p0 we know that it is equal to 1. It is equal to 1. Earlier we have given this value. So p0x is nothing. It is equal to 1. So when we have the 1, so integral will be the x from integral is the x and the limit will be the minus 1 to 1. So 1 minus of minus 1, then it will become the 2. So here we have the proof of the this integral. Clear? Now express the fx. Fx is here. What is the fx? It is a polynomial. Express fx 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2 in Legendre polynomial. So we know that we have the x to power n in terms of the p0, p1, p2 and pn, right? High, if the power of the x is the n, then from the p0 to pn we can write, right, with the help of the p0 to pn we can write the expression of the x to power n. So in this case we have to write for the 4x square plus 6x 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2, right? So in this case we have, because highest power of the x is what, 3. So it means maximum we can have the p3 in the expression, we can have the p3. So we say that let it is the an pn n is equal to 0 to 3. So we can say a naught p naught plus a1 p1 plus a2 p2 plus a3 p3. So here I have written it as a AP3 plus BP2 plus CP3 plus DP naught, right? So in this case, Now, what is the value of the P3x? P3x is equal to 5x cube upon 2 minus 3x upon 2. Similarly, what is the value of the P2? P2 is the 3x square upon 2 minus 1 by 2. What is the value of the P1x? It is the x. And what is the value of the P0? That is the 1. So just you collect the coefficient of the x cube, the coefficient of the x square, the coefficient of the x, and independent of the x, or x to power 0. Now we have the four equations in term of the ABCD, where ABCD are unknown and we have the four equations. So from that we can compute the value of the ABCD. So from here you can write that this expression 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 8 upon 5 P3x plus 4 P2x plus 47 upon 5 P1x plus 4 P0 x. So in this way you can write any order polynomial or any degree polynomial in terms of the Legendre polynomials. Now in this case, I think this we have proved earlier also. Let us see. Prove that Pn of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to power n into Pnx. This is very important formula, right? Pn of minus x is equal to minus 1 to power n into Pnx. So from the generating function, from generating function, we know this result: 1 minus 2xt plus t square to power minus half is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity t to power n Pnx. This is a generating formula. So in this you replace the x by the minus x. Replace x by the minus x. So here we have the 1 plus 2xt plus t square power minus half summation n is equal to 0 to infinity t to power n Pn of minus x. Just you replace x by the minus x. Similarly, in the same equation you put t is equal to minus t, means replace t by the minus t. So we have the 1 plus 2xt plus t square, right? Wherever we have the t, just you replace the t by the minus t, right? T by the minus t. So here we have 1 plus 2xt plus t square to power minus half is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity. Now minus t to power n Pnx, and here minus t to power n can be written as minus 1 to power n Tn into Pnx. And here we have the, so when we compare, so here you can see on both equation, in both equation left hand side are equal, implies right hand side are also equal. Yes. One, already it is a 1 minus 2xt, no? No, not in this, in the main equation only. In one, we are taking the same equation, right? So in this case, left hand side is equal to on in both equation we have the same left hand side. This implies that right hand side are also equal. So that will give you that summation n is equal to 0 to infinity of t to power n Pn of minus x is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 to power n t to power n Pnx. So on comparing the coefficient of t to power n, on comparing the coefficient of the t to power n on both sides, on both sides. So on the from the left side we have the coefficient as a Pn of minus x is equal to minus 1 to power n Pnx, right? So this is a very important formula in case of the Legendre polynomial. Now when we put x is equal to 1, in this only we are driving one result. So when we put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. So Pn of minus 1 will become minus 1 to power n into Pn1. And Pn1 is what? The Pn1 is 1. Earlier we have proved this. So Pn1 is 1. So this will give you Pn of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to power n. So that is the means Pn of minus so here we have the so here we have the important result Pn of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to power n. So from here one more conclusion we can draw. If n is even, then Pn of minus x is equal to Pnx. So if we have this condition, we can say that Pnx is nothing, it is the even function. When we have n is odd, when n is odd, at that time Pn minus x is equal to minus of the Pnx. This implies that Pnx is the odd function. So if n is even, in quiz we can ask such kind of the question. If means what is the nature of the P2, P4, P6, P1024, anything. So accordingly you can say that with this result whether it is the even function or the odd function. Then after we have to prove this, prove that Pn dash 1 is equal to 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. So we know that the Legendre equation, is what? Legendre equation is 1 plus x square Pn double dash x. Actually, what is the Legendre equation? Legendre equation is 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2x y dash plus n into n minus 1 y is equal to 0. And we know that y is equal to Pnx is solution. If it is the solution, Pnx is the solution, then we say that it will satisfy the given equation, right? It will satisfy the given equation. So it will be the 1 minus x square Pn double dash minus 2x Pn dash plus n into n plus 1 Pnx is equal to 0. Means in place of the y, just we put y is equal to Pnx. Y is equal to Pnx. So in this case, as you put x is equal to 1, so this factor will become the 0. And from here, from the second expression, we have the minus 2 Pn dash for x is equal to 1 plus n into n plus 1 Pn1. And what is the Pn1? Pn1 is the 1. Pn1 is 1. So this will give you Pn dash. Pn dash is equal to Pn dash for x is equal to 1 is equal to 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. That is the n into n plus 1. In original equation, it is n into n plus 1. Na? Acha, this here it is written correct. In this equation it is written. So it will be the 1 by 2 n into n plus 1. Similarly, now whatever the result we have already derived, Pn of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to power n, right? Or Pn of minus x is equal to minus 1 to power n Pnx. So using that result, we can prove the second part also. So in the original equation, if you put x is equal to minus 1, so due to the x is equal to minus 1, x square minus 1 will become 0, minus 2x will become plus 2x. So here we have the 2 of 2 of p n dash 1, 2 of p n dash 1 plus plus n into n plus 1 p n minus 1. And what is the value of the p n minus 1? That is the minus 1 to power n, minus 1 to power n. So when we so it can be written as p n dash minus 1 is equal to minus of n into n plus 1, right, into minus 1 to power n into 2. So that 2 will come in denominator. So this and this minus 1 will be you can adjust. So this will become 1 by 2 minus 1 to power n minus 1 n into n plus 1, right? So whatever the extra minus 1, so you can take minus 1 to power n minus 1 as one factor, and minus 1 as another factor, and minus minus will be the plus. So it will give you 1 by 2 minus 1 to power n minus 1, right? So that is the value of the p n dash minus 1. So that you can, after that, now you have seen we have the pn, right? We have the pn, we have the pn minus 1, we have pn plus 1. Now for the we have pn dash, we have the p dash n minus 1, we have the p dash n plus 1, right? So total 6 quantities we have. So what are the relationship between these 6 Legendre polynomial, right? That we have to compute. So very first recurrence relation already we have computed, that n plus 1 into pn plus 1, right? Pn plus 1 is equal to 2n plus 1 x pnx minus n into pn minus 1 x. So very first recurrence relation already you have proved. So this recurrence relation is the relation between the pn plus 1 and pn minus 1. Similarly, you have to derive the recurrence relation using to find the relation between the all these 6 Legendre polynomial or their derivative, right? So here, what is the second recurrence relation? Second recurrence relation or RR2 is the n into pn is equal to x into pn dash minus pn minus 1 dash. These recurrence relation generally we use to derive the different type of the Legendre polynomial, right? From the given Legendre polynomial, using this we can derive the other polynomial, other order polynomial also. So for to prove this, what we will take, we start from the generating function. So here we have the generating function. What is the generating function? 1 minus 2xt plus t square to power minus half is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity t to power n, right? Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity of t to power n pnx. Now if you differentiate with respect to t, right? If you differentiate with respect to t, so this will give you minus half 1 minus 2xt plus t square to power minus 3 by 2 into minus 2x plus 2t, minus 2x plus 2t. And from this side we have the n t to power n minus 1 pnx, right? If you differentiate with respect to t on both sides, so this two you can cancel. So and this minus when you will adjust, so here you have the x minus t into 1 minus 2xt plus t square power minus 3 by 2 is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity of n uh, right? N into t to power n minus 1 pnx. You are able to write. So n is summation n is equal to 1 to infinity n into t to power n minus 1 pnx. Now, if you differentiate the same equation with respect to x, so the when you differentiate same equation with respect to x, what you will get? Minus half 1 minus 2xt plus t square minus 3 by 2 into minus 2t into minus 2t. If you differentiate with respect to x, so this will give you minus 2t. And here, when you differentiate with respect to x, it will give you summation t to power n p n dash x, because you have to differentiate with respect to x. So on the right hand side, it will come p n dash. So here we have the expression differentiating with respect to x. So it will give you t into 1 minus 2xt plus t square to power minus 3 by 2 summation, right? Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity t to power n p n dash x. So let's say it is the third and previous one is the 2. So we can say, if you perform the 2 upon 3, so if you perform the 2 upon 3, so 2 upon 3, right? So here we have the left side x minus t, and in the denominator we have the t, and on the right hand side we have the summation n into t to power n minus 1 pnx, and in the denominator we have the summation t to power n pn dash x. If you cross multiply, so here you have the x into summation t to power n pnx minus t into t to power n. So it will give you t to power n plus 1. It will give you t to power n plus 1, and pn dash x is equal to n into t to power n pnx. So just you compare the coefficient of the t to power n on both sides. So here the coefficient of the t to power n will be the x into pn dash x into pn dash x. Now from the second expression, when we will get the expression coefficient of the t to power n, when we put n is equal to n minus 1. So from here the coefficient of the t to power n will become pn minus 1 dash. So here we have the minus pn minus 1 dash, and on the right hand side the coefficient of the t to power n will be the n into pn. So here we have the n into pn. So in this case we have the recurrence relation between the pn minus 1 dash and pn dash. So that is the another recurrence relation, right? Npn is equal to, in general we write in this form, npn is equal to x pn dash minus pn minus 1 dash. So in this we have taken the 3 1 pn dash, pn minus 1 dash, and pn. Now, so at a time we are taking any 3 expression out of the 6. Now we have the recurrence relation third. So recurrence relation third is the relation between pn plus 1 dash, pn minus 1 dash, and pn. And the recurrence relation is what? Pn plus 1 dash minus pn minus 1 dash is equal to 2n plus 1 pn. All these are not available in the book, so please note down carefully. But we in the proof we use these things. So please note down carefully. On in the book only we have the first one, right? Total we have the 6 recurrence relation, but in book we have only the first one. So here, from the first recurrence relation, what is the first recurrence relation? N plus 1 pn plus 1 is equal to 2n plus 1 xpn minus npn minus 1. This is the first recurrence relation. If you differentiate with respect to x, so left hand side will become n plus 1 pn dash pn plus 1 dash, and right hand side will be what is the differentiation of the xpn. that is the Pn plus x Pn dash, right? But what is the differentiation of the x into Pn? By parts, if you do, it will be the Pn plus x into Pn dash. So that is written here. It is the 2n plus 1 into Pn plus 2n plus 1 x into Pn dash. Pn dash minus nPn. So it will become nPn dash, Pn minus 1 dash. Pn minus 1 dash. And from the recurrence relation 2, we know that xPn dash, is equal to nPn plus P dash, Pn minus 1 dash. From the recurrence relation 2, we know that xPn dash is equal to nPn plus Pn minus 1 dash. So just in place of this, you put the recurrence relation 2, right? In place of the xPn dash, you put the value nPn plus Pn minus 1 dash. So that is here we have put. So if you solve, you will get the third recurrence relation. So this is the third recurrence relation. So as a question also we can ask, just you prove this expression. So instead of saying that it is a recurrence relation, just we can ask directly, just you prove this. Now recurrence relation 4 is the relation between the Pn dash, Pn minus 1 dash and Pn minus 1, right? This is the recurrence relation 4. And what is the recurrence relation 4? It is the Pn dash minus x Pn minus 1 dash is equal to n into Pn minus 1. N into Pn minus 1. So in this case, what you will do in the recurrence relation is always true for the all n, right? Just you put the n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so whatever. N is equal to m, n is equal to p. It is true for all n. So here, in the recurrence relation 1, replace n by the n minus 1. Just replace n by the n minus 1 in the recurrence relation 1 and differentiate with respect to x. And differentiate with respect to x, you will get this expression. You can complete. Just in the recurrence relation 1, right? Just in the recurrence relation 1, this is the recurrence relation. So as you replace the n is equal n by the n minus 1, it will become the n Pn is equal to, right, 2n minus 2. So it will become the 2n minus 1 x Pn minus 1 minus n minus 1 p n by the n minus 1. So n minus 2. N minus 2. So when we differentiate with respect to x, so it will give you n Pn dash is equal to 2n minus 1 Pn minus 1 plus 2n minus 1 x p x p dash n minus 1 minus n minus 1 Pn minus 2. Pn minus 2. So here we have the Pn plus 1 dash Pn dash Pn minus 1 Pn minus 1. So we have the Pn dash, correct, Pn minus 1 and Pn minus 1 dash, Pn minus 1 dash. So whatever the extra will come, that will come as a Pn minus 1 dash, right? By the recurrence relation 2 or 3, you can check. So just by checking this, you can prove the recurrence relation 4. Now here the recurrence relation 5, that is the relation between the Pn dash, Pn and Pn minus 1. So in this, nothing you have to do, just recurrence relation 4 minus x into recurrence relation 2. This you can derive as recurrence relation 4 minus x into recurrence relation 2. If you perform this right? Uh, this step, then you get the following expression. What is the recurrence relation 6? Recurrence relation 6 is x square minus 1 pn dash x is equal to n plus 1 pn plus 1 x minus x into pn. So if you observe all the six recurrence relation, in all six recurrence relation we have the relation between the any three out of the six Legendre polynomial and their derivative, right? So recurrence relation 6 you can get from the recurrence relation 1 and recurrence relation 5. So this is a homework, you can complete this. So at one place please write all the recurrence relation so that in the exam you can use or you can remember easily. Now prove summation n is equal to 0 pnx is equal to, means in the exam directly we will say pnx. You have to assume that it is a Legendre polynomial. Never we explain that pnx is the Legendre polynomial of order n. Always we just write the pnx. So you have to assume that it is a Legendre polynomial. Prove that summation n is equal to 0 to infinity pnx is equal to 1 upon root of 2 minus 2x. So by generating function we have 1 minus 2xt plus t square power minus half is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity t to power n pnx. That is the generating function. So when we put t is equal to 1, right? T is equal to 1, t is equal to 1, t is equal to 1. Put the t is equal to 1. So from here what you will get? 1 minus 2x plus 1. So 2 minus 2x, 2 minus 2x to power minus half, and on this side we have the summation pnx. So you will get the same thing. Clear? Now, Legendre equation can also be written in the form of, what is the Legendre equation? It is the 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2x y dash plus n into n plus 1 y is equal to 0. In general, we have this as a Legendre equation. This expression, this expression can also be written as dy dx of 1 minus x square y, 1 minus x square y plus n into n plus 1 y is equal to 0. Means Legendre equation can also be written as dy dx of 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square y. So as you differentiate this, what you will get? Y dash, not y dash. So 1 minus x square y dash. So when we differentiate, what you will get? 1 minus x square y double dash. And what is the difference? Y dash as it is differentiation of the 1 minus x square, that is the minus 2x. So the same equation you will get. So the Legendre equation can also be written as, Legendre equation can also be written in the form of dy dx of 1 minus x square y dash plus n into n plus 1 y is equal to 0. So that now when we are saying that pm and pn are solution of the given Legendre equation, pm and pn are solution of the Legendre equation, so that dy dx of 1 minus x square pm dash, now we are taking y is equal to, here we are taking the y is equal to pm, means n is equal to m, and in the second we are taking the y is equal to pn, means n is equal to n. So that is the solution. Legendre polynomial is a solution. So we can write it as a dy dx of 1 minus x square pm dash x plus m into m plus 1, right? N is equal to m. So m into m plus 1 pmx is equal to 0. Pmx is equal to 0, and dy dx of 1 minus x square pn dash x Pn dash x plus n into n plus 1 Pn x is equal to 0. Means here just we put y is equal to Pm and here we put y is equal to Pn. Means it is a Legendre polynomial of order m and order n. Now use these two expression. They are giving the question. Use these two equation to give the proof of first part of the formula 2. What is the formula 2? That is the orthogonality. Orthogonality, right? Orthogonality. So, first part of the formula 2 or orthogonality is the integral minus 1 to 1 pmx pnx dx is equal to 0 when m is not equal to 0. So using this, using these, अरे यार लगाया तो था, मैंने चेक भी किया था यार, ये कैसे इसने दिया था क्या? पावर लो का दिया था साइन, इधर से तो कनेक्ट है यार। नहीं नहीं मेरा ही ऑफ है, लैपटॉप ही ऑफ होगा, लैपटॉप ऑन होगा तब वो दिखाएगा। क्योंकि मैंने चार्जिंग चेक भी किया था इसका। So here we have the two equation, right? Simple equation, Legendre equation. We are saying that Pm and Pn are the solution of those equation. Now you have to prove the first part of the orthogonality integral minus 1 to 1 Pm Pn dx is equal to 0 when m is not equal to 0. That does not depend on the specific form of the Legendre polynomial. they are saying that it is the independent of the value of the m and n. M may be smaller than n may be smaller than m. So that is not. So here now a hint, in the question only they have given the hint, multiply the first equation by pn and second equation by pm and subtract and integrate from -1 to 1. That hint they have already given in the equation. So what is the solution? Already we have discussed few things. The original legendary equation is 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2xy dash plus n into n plus 1 y is equal to 0. That can be written as dy dx of 1 minus x square y dash plus n into n plus 1 y is equal to 0. Let Pm and Pn are solution of the following equation: dy dx 1 minus x square Pm dash plus m into m plus 1 Pm is equal to 0, and dy dx of 1 minus x square Pn dash plus n into n plus 1 Pn is equal to 0 respectively. Right? They are the solution of these two equations. Let's say these equations are 1 and 2. So in the first, according to the hint, in the first you multiply with the pn, in the second you multiply with the pm, then you subtract and integrate with respect to x from -1 to 1, from -1 to 1. So from the left hand side what you will get? So from the left hand side, you will get in -1 to 1 dy dx of 1 minus x square, comma in both pm dash into pn. Right? In the first, we have multiplied with the pn, then minus pn dash into pm, because in the second, we have multiplied with the m with respect to x, plus m into m plus 1 minus n into n plus 1 integral pmn dax, because this is in the both. So integral -1 to 1 pn dash. Now this integration will cancel this differentiation. So just you put the limit -1 to 1. Just you put the limit -1 to 1. So due to the expression of the 1 minus x square, under both limit it will be the 0. Under both limit it will be the 0. So on we have, right, a integral, we have only the m into m plus 1 minus n into n plus 1, and it is given to you m is not equal to n. If m is not equal to n, this expression is not equal to eh, pm. Pm both are the Legendre polynomial, not constant. Just we are multiplying this. Here we are multiplying this. So you are saying that ki why we have written in the. If you multiply the pn, if you multiply here the pm, so automatically it will come that thing, na? By chance if you are taking inside, so what you will get? One, it is the pm dash pn. If you take the differentiation of this, so what will come? Whatever the differentiation, that will cancel. Right? Here we have the pn dash, here we have the pm. So when we differentiate, we have the pm dash pn dash, here we have the pn dash pm dash, and that will cancel each other. So that you can write inside, that you can take inside also. uh, I'm giving you, for example, what dy dx of this, dy dx of, just I am differentiating this. So what is the pm dash, pn dash, pn dash minus pn dash, pm dash, pm double dash, pm double dash, pn minus pn double dash pm. So this you can cancel and original equation you will get. Original equation you will get. What is the original equation? dy dx of the 1 minus x square pm double dash, right? 1 minus x square pm double dash minus 2x pm dash. So that equation you will get. So whatever the problematic term, that you can cancel due to the subtraction. Clear? So there is no harm in writing like this. So this expression, since m is not equal to n, this expression is not equal to 0. So this implies that integral minus 1 to 1 pm pn dx is equal to 0. So that is the another way to prove the orthogonality. You, which part? Integral. Integral, actually we have the, we have dy dx of 1 minus x square pm dash plus m into m plus 1 pm x is equal to 0, and dy dx of 1 minus x square pn dash plus n into n plus 1 n plus 1 pnx is equal to 0. So in this case, in the first you multiply with the pn, in the second you multiply with the pm. So here we have the multiplication of the pn, here we have the multiplication of the pm. Now this can this is the pn, pn. Now pn dy dx of this, so 1 minus x square pm double dash minus 2x pm dash x, pm dash minus pm and 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square pm double dash, pm double dash minus 2x pm dash, pm pm dash, yes, pm dash plus plus m into m plus 1 minus n into n plus 1 uh, pm pn pm pn is equal to 0. This will come. Clear this part? Now if you write this, it will be the 1 minus x square pm double dash into pn minus 2x pm dash pn minus 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square pm double dash pn 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 and this is the pm minus 2x pn dash pm. Now in this, if you multiply by the pm dash pn dash and 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square in both, so I, pardon, plus this plus 2x, plus 2x. So and what is the differentiation of this term? What is the differentiation of this term? this term. It is the 1 minus x square into pm dash pn minus pn dash pm plus और minus 2x अच्छा नहीं -2x आएगा यदि हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं तो एक मिनट हाँ that I want to cancel ना 1 minus x square p double dash pn double dash plus pm dash pn चलने में भी कुछ n dash minus pn double pn dash क्या हो रहा है I'm saying that when we have the dy dx of 1 minus x square into pm dash pn plus p or minus pn dash pm. So what is the differentiation of this? What is the differentiation of this? It is the 1 minus x square and its differentiation is pm double dash pn, right? Plus pm dash pn dash minus pn dash pm dash minus pn double dash pm. So this expression will cancel out. This expression will cancel out, and whatever the term we have, and from here we have the minus 2x into pm dash pn minus pn dash pm. The same thing you are getting means whatever here, the same thing you are getting by the subtraction. The same thing you are getting from here. Right? So that is the first part of the just means you have to add or subtract the pm dash and pn dash term. So that will come inside the dy dx. Integral because of the presence of the 1 minus x square. Minus 1 or 1. What about the this pm dash? So that may be non-zero, but this will give you the zero, na always. 1 minus x square. X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. Simple है ना? This integral will cancel this derivative. It means we have the 1 minus x square into pm dash pn minus pn dash pm. So due to the presence of the 1 minus x square, it will give the 0 under both limit. And then m into m plus 1 minus n into n plus 1 will never be the 0 because m and n not equal to 0. They are not equal. So this will give you the integral remaining part as a 0. Clear? So its second part we will do in next class. The second orthogonality.